So just arrived at the Crown Plaza. I've been nominated for an award. Not to say I'm definitely going to get one, but it's going to be a great evening all the same. I've actually brought my dad along with me. So I'm going to go and enjoy some good food and some entertainment. And fingers crossed, I might even win an award. Let's find out.
Welcome to Forever, man. Let's go. Come on. This forever. No surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. Go. And then we'll... Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me
Samuel Leeds.
J-O-N to the easy E-N. Know that we undefeated.
Samuel Leeds.
Just trying to air a grievance, but his lines are overhead. Better check the air for clear.
We're just getting a drink, and it's like we just heard his name. We had to rush back.
Samuel Leeds.
This is our clear to key to air apparent. Really, I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. All the more times I've been severed, I'm raising the bar, you can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, we're just leaving, I think about time that somebody go get on their coat. You know I got all that anthem, come back in what you call that add-on. Got anthems and bands with masters, getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive, I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time, this is forever, remember the legend, he never gon' die. I ain't bigger dead than alive. It's forever, you know, this right here forever.
If I ask you, where do you want to get to in your life? Most people would think within their industry, within their speciality, they want to be like kingpin on top. And I'm used to people saying, I want to be the best speaker, I want to be the best trainer, I want to be the best this, that, and the other. This guy turns around and says, okay, so if you can imagine Hulk Hogan and the Ultimate Warrior, they're like speakers of the WWE, right? Yeah. He said, I want to be Vince McMahon. I want to be the guy that all of the top trainers are training for. That's a heavyweight mindset. Just think about that mindset for a second. Because most people don't think like that.
Hey, Andy Harrington here, and I'm with, obviously, the one and only, the amazing Samuel Leeds. We're here at the Professional Speakers Academy Awards dinner, and guess what? This chap just won 3 Academy Awards. This guy's incredible. He's changing lives, he's making a difference. His YouTube channel is incredible. His events are massive. Look, if you're not currently in his events, this guy is the real deal.
Absolutely fantastic night. Really, really pleased that I won 3 awards. To be honest, I didn't know for sure if I was going to win 1. Winning 3 was fantastic. So I'm a multi award-winning speaker. Great to be part of a network of other like-minded speakers. See some old friends, and tired because I've just finished a crash course, so I've come straight to this event. But really, really humbled. Thank you so much, guys. If you've been to any of our training programs, if you're here tonight, if you follow me on YouTube, just a massive thank you. I'm really humbled, and look forward to hopefully coming back next year and seeing some other people win some awards as well.
Okay, so we're just come out of the Professional Speakers Academy Awards ceremony. It is a room absolutely packed with some of the best talent in speaking, educating, motivating, and so on. Some of these people are earning millions a month. And this guy here, right here, won more awards than anybody else in there. He won 3 awards, one of which was for the best male speaker. One was for the best YouTube account. And what's the third one?
Business growth.
Best business growth. So this guy, in a room of some of the most talented people, still is head and shoulders above just everybody in there. He absolutely shines. If you want to learn and you want to be successful, the best thing you can do is find somebody who's very successful in what you want to be successful in and who can teach it. This is the guy. Happens to be my son.
Thanks, Dad.